Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you a couple of strategies I'm using in DeFi. Guys, this is going to be a three-part video series. I'm going to do part one, which is on the Polygon network, part two, which is on the Binance Smart Chain, and part three, which is just going to be overall in general what I'm doing DeFi strategy wise. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this video. First off guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash at that like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, that way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. That's the best strategy for DeFi in my opinion. But anyways guys, let me show you guys how to do this. I've made videos on each and every one of these protocols, so if you want to check them out, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and type in any of the projects like that I'm going over. Just type in the first name, it'll pull right up. All right, so first is Aave. Aave, yes guys, the interest rates have been going down a lot. You guys have been going on to these protocols, man, and depositing into them. You're killing me, man. You're making me figure out new stuff. You're taking all the gains. All right, guys, so this is how you do it. It's literally you just, so for example, I'm just going to do a quick back and forth type of thing just so you guys can see. So you guys can see this is what I'm currently depositing as collateral, and I'm borrowing about 3K. And I know you're looking at this and like, dude, what the pants? You're paying more for Matic than you are for then you're actually earning. Yeah, well, I didn't deposit it over here because I actually have it on a different protocol, and I'm actually earning 230% interest on it. So it's kind of like, well, it's basically 200, we'll just call it 200% free money. I mean, dude, why would you pass up on that? So let me explain what I did, or how you use the Aave. It's super easy to do. I'm not going to go into heavy detail on it, but let me just show you guys the concept. So I already have this collateral. I have a health factor of 1.27. It's okay. It's not healthy. It's mainly because I have mostly stable coins. And I do have a lot of Aave in there. Aave is considered a DeFi blue chip, so it doesn't go up and down as the smaller altcoins, but it doesn't stay as steady as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, I know that sounds funny how I'm saying that, but guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum are volatile. Then you got the DeFi blue chips, which are pretty volatile, and then you got the small caps, which are like swinging like 100% either direction in one day, sometimes 300%. It's nuts. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you. So I already have this deposit. I'm not going to worry about this. This tells the current token price. This shows the available liquidity right now. This is entirely fine. There's plenty of Aave to borrow, so don't even have to worry about that. In fact, the rates go up when there's less Aave in the pool, and then when there's more Aave in the pool, the rates go down. And the reason for that is just simple supply and demand, guys. It's like you can relate it like this at a store. You go to a store, they got 50 billion rolls of toilet paper. Yeah, that toilet paper is probably going to be cheap. But then you go to the store and there's no toilet, well, there's 2 toilet paper rolls. And it's like, oh, snap. Well, time to pay up. I'm sure you guys experienced this with the coronavirus, and your buns probably got pretty crotch roddy, so you guys can understand exactly what I'm talking about. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Now we're just going to go ahead and borrow some USDC. I'm just going to say, sure, whatever, I'll just borrow $179 worth of USDC because that's what it'll allow me to borrow, because that's the maximum, because that puts me at 1.2 based on what I have in collateral. So the reason why I can't borrow all the way down to 1 is also mainly because it's a stable coin. So, or I'm not a stable coin, is because I have Aave deposited in here. If you guys want to see the maximum loan to value, it's 50%. So I can't withdraw or get a loan more than 50% of the value. So like if the value is $2,000, I can't get more than a loan, or I can't get a loan over $1,000. So like if I have something like DAI, the maximum loan to value is 75%. So what that means is if I deposit $1,000, the biggest loan I can get is $750. And for USDC, it's 80%. I know a lot of people were seeing my videos when I deposited $1,000 and I withdrew $800. And you're like, oh, well, you just got ripped off. No, guys, you have maximum loan to value. It's 80%. It's that's what you get. So I deposited 1,000. The max loan I can get is $800 because I deposited 1,000. Anyways, I just got my loan of 179 bucks. I'm just gonna say, boom, I'm gonna deposit max, and we're gonna say maximize them gains. So guys, you see my health factor went up to 1.25 now. So now you guys are like, oh, that's cool. Now he's healthy. Yeah, I've been eating some broccoli and carrots and celery, so I'm good. So now that I just deposited that junk, I'm ready to get another loan because my health factor is back to 1.25. Well, I'm waiting on the transaction to confirm, so let's wait on this. All right, so the transaction confirmed. It says 1.25 now, and now if we go to borrow, now I can borrow 143. Now you're like, what the pants? You got ripped off. Well, guys, remember, it's 80%. Remember that, 80%. Bum, bum. It's not 100%. I mean, how dumb would that be? I mean, if you, hey, bro, here, let me give you $100 and let me borrow $100 from you. I mean, what the pants? Like, the dude just basically gave you, like, there's no incentive. Just think about it, guys. Let's give a better example. Hey, let me give you a house and let me get an exact loan against it that's worth the exact value of it at that given time. Well, no, it doesn't work like that, because what if the house goes down in value? Well, then the dude's roasted. He gets ripped off. There's a reason it's 80%. Just because it's a stable coin, it can lose its peg still. And if it does lose its peg, well, it's you're liquidated. So what happens when you're liquidated? That money you deposited over here is gone. They take it. Bum, bum. That's mine. Thanks. So that's another high risk you guys got to keep in mind with Aave. But watch my full video on that. I'm taking up a lot of time on Aave. I got a couple more protocols to show you guys on Polygon. So the next one is going to be Iron Finance. Guys, Iron Finance is pretty fire. Iron Finance is paying some serious yields right now. I did a full video on explaining on how it works. But if you guys look at these farms, this is just some I'm farming with. You can use some of these stable coin pools, and they're stables, and they're basically printing money. Like, at this rate, I'm literally earning, like, I don't know, $50-$60 a day, or maybe like $70 a day just for doing nothing. It's printing Titan, and then with the Titan, I'm also redepositing it, and it's printing about $1 a day in USDC. I've already claimed a couple of it, so it's nothing crazy like that, but still, it's just free money. And I mean, you can go dump the Titan tokens if you want, but swap it for Iron, or just do something that actually supports the protocol. Just a quick overview for an understanding how the Titan or Iron, yeah, same thing, Titan, Iron, whatever, how it works. So when Iron goes up in value, people can come and take their Titan tokens, and they can burn their Titan tokens in exchange for Iron at a lower price. So the whole minting process is close to around $1. So, like, say for example, I want to turn 100 USDC into some Iron. You guys can see, look, there's a tiny little fee. Now, if I'm able to print it here for basically it looks like it's going to be $1, or I'm sorry, not $1, but it's going to be like a 0.037 cent fee. And so here's the price right here. So it shows the rate of 1 USDC. So the rate of 1 Iron is 1.000787. So if I can print them here for 1.000787, and it's selling on the market right now for $1.02, well, it's my incentive to come here and buy some Iron and sell it and dump it on the market to make the price go down. So when it goes down, then the price will get close to $1 again. And however, if it oversells and goes below $1, then more and more people are going to come and buy it off the market and use the Iron to redeem and mint Titan. So it's a push-pull system. It's similar to like how Terra Luna works. If you guys are unfamiliar with how Terra Luna works, go ahead and check out a video I have on it. Just type in Terra on my website or on YouTube. I made a video on it like 2 months ago, and it explains how it works. But the whole incentive of the protocol is to keep the Iron tokens at $1. And what you need to know is, in order to keep that peg, if Iron is going up or above $1, Titan is going up. If it's below $1, Titan is going down. That's really all you guys need to know. So the reason why I like this protocol is because I can farm and I can earn like 300% APY or APR on stable coins. That's awesome. So that's the second one I'm using on Polygon, the second strategy. The third one is L11 Finance. I showed you guys on Aave how I had a loan for some Matic tokens. The reason why I like that is if you scroll down right now, well, it was like 200%. Now they're currently earning 187% APY. So basically what's going on with that is you're able to earn 187% instead of just earning a measly, well, 12% in this scenario. So it's like, oh, well, what the pants? Why not? Actually, these, before I was even on this, these yields were at like 230%. So all in all, let's just call it over 100%. So that's the second or third strategy, which is on 11 Finance. You can also use Titan on here. There's different protocols as well. I'm just showing you guys some different protocols out there in general on Polygon. Next one is Adamant Finance. So both Adamant, Titan, or all three. So Traith, Adamant, 11, and Titan. Those are risky strategies, guys. So keep that in mind. These are not something like an Aave or a Sushi. I'm just showing you guys these just so you guys can see what's out there. So again, guys, I'm going to say it again. Risky strategies. You can lose everything. So keep that in mind, guys. If you lose it, it's your fault. If you make a bunch, it's your fault. So the next one is Adamant Finance. The reason why I like Adamant Finance is because instead of earning Titan tokens, I can choose to automatically earn the LP tokens. So this forces me to say, okay, I'm going to dump these farming tokens. Because what's the goal of a farming token? Well, it's a free token that's given to you. And what's the incentive for it? Well, I just earned it. So it's cool. Well, guys, if everyone else is earning it, it's free tokens. They're going to dump it, especially when the market takes a downturn. But hey, not financial advice. It could go to the moon. I don't know. Who knows? I'm usually wrong like 100% of the time. So next, the reason why I like this is because it gives you a bonus in Addy tokens. Yes, they do pay, or they charge you like a 30% performance fee. So basically it's just charging you for automatically doing this junk for you. And they do it automatically. But the next thing, you earn these random Addy tokens. So you can say, oh, great, awesome, cool. I just got some free Addy. So I'm going to claim and I'm going to automatically invest them. The reason why I stake invest them, well, first off, is because you have a penalty if you're trying to withdraw early. But the reason why I like it is, look, you can earn some free quick tokens and you can earn some free Matic. I mean, the Addy, it just came to me for free. I didn't pay anything for it. It's literally free. And I'm just staking them, and then I earn money on them. So it's like, what the pants? Why not? And the Addy tokens are actually worth something. They're worth almost $60. So at this rate, I earn almost 2 Addy. Obviously, I'm going to have a penalty if I withdraw early. The lockup is like 3 months or something like that. So that does incentivize or keep people from dumping as hard. I'm not saying they won't dump, but that's just something you guys can keep in mind. If you guys want to check out the full video on Adamant Finance, go ahead and check it out. Did it on my channel as well. The last one I like to use on Polygon is, well, there's going to be another one possibly coming up soon, is Ramp DeFi. I'm excited to use that on Polygon. That one's sweet. But that'll be on Binance. That's in part 2 of my video. So be sure you guys like, subscribe, bell button, and then you guys will get in on that second video on Ramp DeFi. So the next one is Sushi Swap. Why do I like Sushi Swap? Well, dude, it's like one of those proven DeFi lending protocol, or not DeFi lending, but yeah, you can actually lend on here. But it's literally just like a fork of Uniswap. And guys, they're on so many different chains. They're on Avalanche, they're on Binance Smart Chain, they're on Ethereum, they're on Polygon. Anyways, guys, you guys get the point. But you can provide liquidity here, and you can earn both Wrapped Matic because they have a liquidity incentive going on, and you can earn sushi. I mean, everyone loves sushi, especially tuna and shrimp. Those are super good, and maybe a little bit of spicy sauce and a lot of wasabi. That's really, really good. So guys, check this one out as well. I did a full video on Sushi Swap. It's basically titled Sushi. Is the other one, which is on Curve. Curve, which is, it's also one of those DeFi blue chips, similar to like Aave and Sushi. They are lesser risky or not as risky. But keep that in mind, guys. There is still risk involved. But with Curve or Polygon, what I do is I get the yield or the tokens that I need instead of just dealing with like playing around, going back and forth. I literally just go straight over to Auto Farm and I just deposit over there. Auto Farm automatically gives Matic rewards, and it also auto compounds the LP tokens. So I'm pretty happy with that one. It's fun over there. It's easy to use. It doesn't pay crazy gains. It's not going to be a crazy APY. It's only 26%. But hey, that's way better than a bank. It's not anything like your Iron Finance. Remember, guys, Iron Finance is super risky. If you guys want to see how to use Curve, I did a full video on it. Go ahead and check out the full video. So check it out. So guys, that's basically a couple of Polygon DeFi strategies I'm using right now on Matic. Yes, there is one more. It's Polyzap, but this one's, guys, this one's like extremely risky. This is just like something that's for fun. Like, hey, let's see what happens. If it goes up, great. If it's probably going to go to zero, so whatever. It's just one of those things just to try for free. I mean, not for free, but like tokens I earned, and it's like, hey, let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, that is really the Polygon DeFi strategies in a nutshell that I'm doing. I hope this video helped you guys, give you guys some clarity. If you guys want to learn about each and every one of these projects, I made a video on each of these in detail, explaining what all these crazy numbers mean and why I like sushi and why dogs are cool. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash out the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Make sure you leave a comment below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, thanks for tuning in. And as always, Proverbs chapter, well, wisdom one-liner. So Proverbs chapter 25. I think we're in verses... Yeah, that's it, man. No. Yeah, it is. Like one who takes away a garment on a cold day, or like vinegar poured on a wound, is one who sings songs of a heavy heart. That's so true, man. Vinegar on a wound hurts really bad. So does salt. And then one who takes a garment and takes away a garment on a cold day, man, that's brutal. Sing songs to a heavy heart. So I guess the heavy heart is sad, and then they're singing to him. So I guess it just makes it worse. Maybe that has something to do with letting people mourn. I'm not sure. Guys, tell me what your thoughts are on that. I need some alpha on it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you in the next one. By the way, dogs, if you guys want to check me on TikTok, you guys can check me out on TikTok. I do daily wisdom one-liners there as well. I'll put a TikTok handle in the link in the description below. I think that's what it's called. That video. Alright guys, if you guys want to get some free BTC, here is the quadruple threat. Guys, there's a link in the description below. You can sign up for Celsius. You get $40 in free BTC. I get $40 in free BTC. It is a win-win. And if you enter in any of these codes, this is for a limited time, you will get an additional bonus of BTC, guys. You cannot beat that. The next in the quadruple threat is Voyager. Guys, when you sign up for Voyager, deposit $100, you will get $25 in free BTC. Need I say more? Probably not. The next one is BlockFi. This is also in the link in the description below. Deposit $100 and you also get $25 in free BTC. In both for BlockFi and for Celsius, you will be earning interest on the money you deposit and interest on the money you receive in the bonus, as in the BTC. And the final one that's in the link in the description below of the quadruple threat is crypto.com. Guys, when you get or reserve the metalcrypto.com Visa card, which is the Ruby one and up, you will get $25 USD paid in CRO. Guys, you got to check out these bonuses. Lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in.